G'day everyone, how you all going? Just watching this at the moment. Got 4 of these green birds here. Let's see what happens. Just watching them feed. Well, I'm going to do my videos in a minute, so I just want to wake up. It's a beautiful morning, it's warm. Let's see what happens. Because there is 3 bird feeders there. Which bird's wanted the most? Oh, now it's getting cold because the sun's been blocked by the clouds. My leg's going to stand there. Ah, come on. Up there, you're going to fly off. Oh well, they'll eat first and then some other birds will come and eat. It's a beautiful day. Oh, now it's getting warm again. Oh, I'm going to shoot off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all take it easy and have a great day.